stage tonight. As with every effort, every smile and every step taken to make this event meaningful, may this celebration remind us that together we grow and build a better tomorrow. Let's sit back.
Thank you, ma'am, for the intro. We are really excited. When we dance for the divine, every step becomes a blessing.
Every beautiful beginning deserves a divine blessing. To seek the grace of the Almighty and to fill this evening, we now present the students for the invocation dance.
to receive the medals and trophy. They have participated in Shimoga and they have got the second place in the division level. And Alden Eric, they have participated in the state level football tournament which is conducted in the Kodagu, which is properly known as school. They have achieved third place. In air rifle shooting competition 2025-26, Hubli Sports Shooting Academy, Hubli. Congratulations, Master Prajit. Parent, relay team, state representative, under 14 category, Aditya, Kishore, Puneet and Gokul Priyan. 2 days back only they attended state level in Bangalore, Kandirva Stadium. They participated in 4x400 relay. So Vishal and Lemuel, come and collect your medals. Come fast. Mahira is ready. Get ready. Mahira, along with parents. She is getting Special Excellency Award. She is a bright and ambitious 10-year student who loves to take new challenges. She has participated in everything from athletics to art competitions, showcasing her hidden talents. Her hard work and dedication is immeasurable. She achieves first place in every competition. Her passion grows. She is an example for all her fellow students. Big round of applause for Mahira. Next, Shreya, get ready. And Sam. I call upon Shreya of 6th standard and Samuel of 7th standard. They attended international competition which is held in Malaysia. They secured 3rd runner-up in the Visual A2 competition. Many congratulations, both brother and sisters and their parents, proud parents. You can come along with your parents. Arshia, Naz, Akshita, both the 10th standard parents can come, state representatives, which is held in Tumkur. Next, IT quiz students, Vishnu, Kubirendi, Guna. Get ready. Vishnu, followed by Guna and Vijay. Participated in the 2025 national level Tata Consultancy Services and Department of Electronics, IT and BC Government of Karnataka. Business Relations and Master Leo is a trainer for them. Big congratulations to Master also. Next, dance. Primary girls, please come forward along with choreographer Mr. Rahul. Mr. Rahul also can come to receive your trophy. தங்கவயல் நாம் தமிழர் கலை இலக்கிய பண்பாட்டு பாசறை மரபு நாட்டிய போட்டி இதில் 4வது முறையாக முதல் பரிசு பெற்று நம் பணியை பெருமை செய்திருக்கிறார்கள். அனைவரும் கரகோஷத்தை எழுப்பி அவர்களை உற்சாகப்படுத்துமாறு அன்புடன் வேண்டி கேட்டுக்கொள்கிறேன். மித்ரி மிரான் and Sureka, all these girls have got first place this year. High school girls got first place. தங்கவயல் நாம் தமிழர் கலை இலக்கிய பண்பாட்டு பாசறை. Class toppers from primary section, 7th standard Samuel Panvita Varshini from 7th standard. From 6th standard Kavya Sri and Rowan. From 5th standard Joshua San and Yashika. Shiny, last year topper in 10th standard. She secured 96%. Out of 625, she got 600 marks. Monisha got 94.56%. Veena Madhuri 94.05, Sri Varshini, Prachita, Lisha, Samraj and Nitin. Shiny Floret. Big round of applause. Next, Monisha. Veena Madhuri. Parents இத்திரே அவர் ஜுட்டல் ಬರ್ಬೋದು. Parents வந்து பிள்ளைங்க கூட வரலாம். Veena Madhuri, Sri Varshini, Prachita, Lisha Angeline Mary, daughter of Master Leo, Samraj 84.16, 526 marks. Adi, get ready. Adi and Adi parents, get ready. Individual championship. Come forward. Adi, Aditya. So Aditya is getting the individual championship trophy for this year. He got first place in 100 meters district and he got first place in 110 meters hurdles, and he got first place in long jump, and he has the first leg in the 4 into 100 meters relay, and he is the first leg in the 4 into 400 relay, and he is a captain for football and volleyball and basketball. So because of all these events, he gets individual championship for this year. He is a proud of KGF as well as Kolar district. Big round of applause and big congratulations, best wishes. Proud parents. Big round of applause, my dear students and parents. Next final, overall championship. I request the school sports captain Rishika and Aditya, stay back Aditya and Rishika. We get this year 2020-25 overall championship goes to St. Mary's. It's a big proud for everyone of St. Mary's. We got the championship trophy this year. All of them are sounded. St. Mary's got. Yes. Thank you, children. Finally, and one more happy news that our HM, new HM, Paul Ramesh got Best Teacher Award this academic year. Big round of applause for Paul Ramesh Master. For KGF Taluk, he is the Best Teacher Award. He got Best Teacher Award in the Teachers' Day celebration. Clap, clap.
Yeah.